All right, audio check here. Give it one more minute. Give people a chance to join. Alex, the audio working? All right, here we go. Thank you guys for joining. Away we go. 2021 Bowman Draft. We've got one jumbo box looking for 3 chrome prospect autographs. Quick housekeeping note before we get started. Email address Lost Colony Ventures LLC. I'm going to start throwing out pricing for the breaks there. If you'd like to get on the pricing list and the pricing sheet distribution, shoot me an email or give me a follow on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube's. Any of them right there. Want to streamline some of the biddings and get some of the bigger breaks in there. All right, let's see what we can do here. Who do we got? Who we looking for? What are we thinking? All right. Who we got? We got Alex joined us again. BT Hokey, the second best realtor in Roanoke. And 11, 12. So there it is, 12 packs. We'll break through them. Here we go. Sal Frelick on the back, one of my favorites. Big Sal Frelick fan. All right. So we've got Jordan Adams, Peter Hubeck, Eduardo Garcia, Dante Williams, Michael McGreevy, Julio Carreras, Jeremy De La Rosa, Michael Morales, Gunnar Henderson, Ryan Spikes, Jackson Jobe, Ian Moeller, now to the Chrome, Misael Urbina, Aaron Zavala, Aaron Sabato, Connor Norby, Marcelo Mayer. There we go. Nice hit for Marcelo Mayer. And Chad Patrick, Joe Mack Bowman Draft Night, Misael Urbina. This one's going to be not numbered. And we've got Colton Cowser right there for the O's. Got to be honest, I hate the Orioles. I hate Cal Ripken, but that's a nice hit. There he is. Big Dick Brad in the house. Also hates the Orioles. Big into the steroid era for Cal Ripken. In the back paper, you got Kai Bush, Helio Ramos, Carter Jensen, Nick Gonzalez, Doug Nikhazy, Garrett Mitchell, Brock Selvage, Sam Bachman, Bryce Miller, Ryan Cusick, and Sal Frelick. All right, 2 of 12 coming up. Congratulations to BT Hokey. Just had his second kid. We're going to celebrate in Vegas relatively soon. All right. Getting smarter there. Going to move some of those to the back. Looks like we have a hit here. Bryce Miller, Herberto Perez, Matt Milkowski, Austin Hendrick, Jaden Hill, Spencer Torkelson, Jefferson Cuero, Duelve Marte, Adrian DiCastillo, Reginald Prasado, Matthias Nelson, Wilmon Diaz, Colton Cowser, JT Schwartz, Brainer Benaki, Chad Patrick, Aaron Sabato, John Rhodes, Ovidas Busby, Chase Petty, Po Young Chen, Dominic Hamill, Tyler Soderstrom, Reed Trimble, Ben Caderna, Uele Cespedes, Maddox Bruns, Francisco Alvarez, Lonnie White Jr., Jefferson Cuero. That one is not numbered. Tyler Madonna, and JT Schwartz, and that's our hit right there. 161 out of 250. Thought that was something else coming out. Saw the Boston back there. Thought we might have hit that Marcelo Mayer auto. Marcelo Mayer played in Roanoke for a bit, too. The original Lost Colony. All right, pack 3 coming out. Okay. Andy Rodriguez, Kevin Kopps, Adele Amador, Rivlin Del Castro, Zach Veen, Luis Rodriguez, Tristan Casas, Joe Rock, Marco Luciano, Steve Hajar, Robert Hassel, Ben Caderna, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Colton Cowser, enough of these Orioles, Riley Green, Kyle Manzardo, Tristan Casas. There's one of the Invictas, Michael McGreevy, top 5 pick right there. Michael McGreevy Invicta. Benny Montgomery had a nice out of 71 Benny Montgomery auto on the last break. Alexander Ramirez. Harry Ford, nice first round pick for the Mariners. We've got Austin Love, Jordan Groshan, Jordan McCants, Henry Davis, Paper, Luke Murphy, Andrew Painter, Jackson Merrill, Roberto Hernandez, Russell Smith, Riley Green, Tommy Mace. TJ White, Benny Montgomery, Maddox Bruns again, Fedde Valdez, Jake Fox, Christian Hernandez, Cooper Kenny, Nick York, Carson Williams, Malcolm Nunez, Jose Torres, Steve Ajar, Ruben Ibarra, Eric Silva, Jacob Steinmetz, Andy Rodriguez. There we go. First auto, Drew Gray on the Cubs. Drew Gray, and this one will be not numbered. 3rd round pick. Drew Gray. Nice hit for the Cubs spot. All right, pick this pack back up. Gunnar Hoglund, Ricky Tiedemann, also a nice Gunnar Hoglund auto last break. Aaron Zavala, Hunter Goodman, working at a grocery store somewhere. Tanner Allen, Chung Lung Liu, Sean Burke, Mizell Urbina, McDermott, Vera, Angel Martinez, Aaron Zavala, Jordan Walker, Alex Beneas, and Ivan Herrera. That's 4 packs in out of 12. Again, we'll give one more look at that. Nice Drew Gray right there. Not numbered. Ethan Wilson, Victor Mesa Jr., Mason Miller, Asa Lacy, Tyler Madison, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Yohendrick Pinago, Elmer Cruz Rodriguez, Ruben Ibarra, Michael Ottenbrine, Gunnar Hoglund, Jaden Hill, Paper 130 out of 250 for the Rocky spot. And we have Jacob Steinmetz, Christian Hernandez, Gavin Williams, Miguel Hilardo, Diego Cartella, Herbert Perez, Colton Cowser, Reed Trimble for the Orioles. Nice future franchise. Riley Green and Gunnar Hoglund for the Chrome Prisms. We've got Pete Crow Armstrong, Steinmetz, J.J. Bledley, Morissette, Jeter Downs, Robert Gasser, Gavin Williams, Yoel Cespedes, Noah Miller, Ed Howard, Dylan Lee. I don't know if Jeter Downs ever going to pan out, but he's not who you buy the sock spot for. So Jaden Hill there in the last break. Rockies hit 2 boxes, hit 3 of the 6 autos, which is disheartening for everyone else, but great for the Rocky spot. See if they're carrying a little bit of heat over. Got that Aaron Judge 101 coming. I can feel it. Brooks Goswine, Kevin Alcantara, Wes Kath, Alexander Vargas, Edwin Arroyo, Leover Piroga, Ryan Webb, Milkar Perez, Landon Marceau, Alexander Ramirez, Calvin Ziegler, Francisco Alvarez, Harry Ford, nice Bowman first there. Bryce Miller, back-to-back for Seattle. Manuel Rodriguez. Drew Gray hit his auto earlier. Matt Milkowski. Zach Veen. We've got Jackson Jobe and Ty Madden. Couple of nice draft picks here. Future franchises. Alexander Mojica, not the pirate you want on that one. And Sean Burke. And then Ty Madden, Robert Pawson, Andrew Abbott, Maximo Acosta, Cal Conley, Mick Abel, Jay Allen, Jose Salas, Brendan Beck, Will Bednar, Yudi Rosario. Larry Walker, that's funny. He, little known story, his brother, not kidding, Barry Walker, laid carpet in my house when I was a kid. Larry and Barry Walker. Love that. Couldn't hit the curveball, though. Tyler Black, Ronnie Murciano, Cameron Cawley, Manuel Rodriguez, Cade Povich, Michael Harris, Ryan Holgate, Bobby Witt Jr., Lonnie White Jr., Adley Rushman, Spencer Schwellenbach, Austin Martin, Grayson Rodriguez, Cade Povich, Gunnar Henderson, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Sam Bachman, JT Schwartz, Marcelo Mayer Bowman Draft Night. It's a nice one right there. Alexander Vargas, Diego Cartella, Jackson Wolf, Pena, Norby, Acuna, Barras, Alec Thomas, Marcelo Mayer Paper, Shane Pansy, Grayson Rodriguez, Mason Black, Diego Cartella. Tell you what, I'd love to see a Jordan Lawler come out here too. That'd be real nice. Have not hit one of those yet. Would love to see it. All right, pack 8 here. No color yet. Love something color. Owen Kellington, Frank Mazzucato, Dustin Sains, Heston Kerstad, Alexander Mojica, Jason Dominguez, J.C. Correa, Shalin Polanco, Joe Mack, Orelvis Martinez, Drew Gray, Max Mayer. Here we go. Ryan Holgate, C.J. Abrams, Nick York, Jackson Wolf, Riv Kelvin de Castro, Michael McGreevy. There we go. At a $4.99. Nice auto there. Flip it over. Michael McGreevy. 18th overall. Good hit for the St. Louis spot. That's the second auto so far. And that's 64 out of 499. Michael McGreevy. All right, picking this back up. Jackson Merrill. Kyle Manzardo. Right there with the chrome. That's nice. Miguel Hilardo, Tiedemann, Buelvas, Hunter Goodman, Brady House, Logan Henderson, Chad Dallas, Jordan Barley, Luis Mato, Brennan Bossier. Jordan Lawler, paper, not what we wanted. Eric Silva. Not what we wanted on the paper. All right. 4 packs left. Let's see what we got here. Chad Patrick, Aaron Sabato, John Rhodes, Andy Rodriguez, Kevin Kopps, Adele Amador, Po-Yun Chen, Dominic Hamill, Tyler Soderstrom, Reed Trimble, Tristan Casas, Joe Rock, Austin Martin, Jay Allen, Bryce Miller, Gunnar Hoglund, Luis Rodriguez, Nick Gonzalez. Nice blue there. Not numbered, but nice blue. Would have liked to have had the other Pirate, but we'll take it. Maddox Bruns, Ben Caderna, Doug Nikhazy, Austin Hendrick, Jaden Hill, Spencer Torkelson, Jefferson Cuero, Austin Love, Jordan Groshans, Angel Martinez, Aaron Zavala, Walker, Beneas, Ivan Herrera. Sal Frelick on the back. Feeling good about that. Kelvin DeCastro, Zach Veen, Luis Rodriguez, TJ White, Benny Montgomery, Freddie Valdez, Marco Luciano, Steve Hajar, Robert Hassel, Ben Caderna, Christian Hernandez, Cooper Kinney, Ryan Webb, Kevin Alcantara, Ethan Wilson, Sal Frelick, Jared Pomares, Dominic Hamill, Frank Mazzucato and Ben Caderna. Nice sets of pictures there on the future franchises. Herbert Perez and C.J. Abrams. And then we got McCants, Henry Davis paper, Luke Murphy, Andrew Painter, Allen, Lou, Selvage, Bachman, Bryce Miller, Cusick, and Sal Frelick. Henry Davis would be nice if I'm just thinking out loud too. Anyone else you guys want to see with this third auto? Love some color. Try to rearrange that. Not sure what that is, but might be a hit. Jake Fox, Jordan Adams, Peter Hubeck, Eduardo Garcia, Dante Williams, Nick York, Carson Williams, Malcolm Nunez, Jose Torres, Jeremy De La Rosa, Michael Morales, Adele Amador out of $4.99 for the Rockies spot. So here we go. Rockies are still hot from yesterday, or from last week, I mean. No auto yet for the Rockies, but they've eaten up about all the numbereds. Got the Jaden Hill earlier and then the Amador paper here. Jordan Adams, Brett Beatty, Robert Gasser, Diego Cartaya, Ryan Webb, Ryan Holgate, Sean Burke, Urbina, McDermott, Errol Vera, Kai Bush, Helio Ramos, Miguel Hidalgo, Cooper Bowman, Tyler Madonna, Brandon Davis, Bubba Chandler, Sean Burke, Jacob Steinmetz. That is not numbered. Good hit for the Diamondbacks. Would have loved the other Diamondback there. And the last one we have back-to-back with it was Ronnie Mauricio out of 150. So I'll sleeve both of those up. Not the Diamondback we were looking for, but still a hit for the Diamondbacks. And that is not numbered. Jacob Steinmetz. Steinmetz will be an ace. All right. I like it. I like it. Michael McGreevy hit the auto earlier his. Julio Carreras, Isaac Pacheco, Brett Beatty, Cade Brown, C.J. Abrams, Gunnar Henderson, Ryan Spikes, Jackson Jobe, Ian Moeller, Harry Ford, Jairo Pomares, Pete Crow Armstrong, Calvin Ziegler, Chad Dallas, Ching Young Liu, T.J. White, Tanner Allen, Genesis Gavin Williams, Luis Rodriguez, Helio Ramos, Carter Jensen, Nick Gonzalez, Nick Hazy, Mitchell, Clark, Pineda, Julio Rodriguez, first time showing here in the paper, Kyle Manzardo, Blaze Jordan, Trent Devereaux, and Pedro Leon. All right, so I'll run through the numbered hits here real quick, and just a reminder, here's the email, Lost Colony Ventures LLC, Instagram, Twitch, YouTube. Going to start throwing out break sheets and prices through Gmail and through other handles there. So if you want to get in on the action, want to see what I'm throwing out, shoot me a line, shoot me an email through there. All right. Okay, so starting with the numbers, we've got Adele Amador for the Rockies, and that's paper, 89 out of 499. Jaden Hill for the Rockies, that's 133 out of 250. JT Schwartz, 161 out of 250. And we've got Ronnie Mauricio, and that is 66 out of 150. In terms of the three autos we hit tonight, we got for the Cubs spot, Drew Gray, and that's not numbered. The wrong Diamondback, Jacob Steinmetz, who we predict to be an ace, however, not numbered. Good hit Diamondbacks. And then Michael McGreevy out of 499, two-line autograph signer. That's that's your 18th pick in the 2021 draft. Got the MySpace out there too for you. That's topless pictures and lubed up pictures, but I also sell those as well. Anyways, thanks for joining. Gonna auction these off each week. Got some coming up next week. Join any of the social media handles here. Shoot me a note, shoot me a line, and we will make sure you get the pricing on them. Anyways, everybody have a good night and good luck.